Acceleration's meeting it, but plastic's coming out great. No issues. We look in, we see some minor vibrations, but not really much more than when it's slow. A few more. Kind of see it at the top there, a couple of those little ripples on the edges, but print something as fast as the model will allow. So just